All right, I'm here with some teachers here. We're trying to figure out the best view for you guys to view presentations and see the notes that teachers may create. So, we found some ideas that probably will work. So, the first thing you need to do is go into your Chrome extensions and turn off the grid view mode. So, the little green grid up here, you gotta click that and then press enable grid view. Make sure that it's unchecked. From there, you should see a presentation that you can pin or unpin. So if yours was unpinned, you would see the presentation as well as your other people in your class. So if you want to only see the teacher's notes, you would press the little pin button right here. That's the way you only see them. And if you want it to be even full screen, little larger than that, you can click these three dots right here and press full screen. And there you have it. That's a good way to get your teacher's notes full screen if you would like to see them.